G'day, mate. Here's the drill on updating your virtual running software and linking it up with Strava or Zwift. First off, head on over to the Apple Store or Google Play Store and download the VxFit RUN. Easy as pie, mate. Second step, crank open your VxFit RUN and your phone's Bluetooth. Next, fire up VxFit RUN, tap on Device Update, then select Device and pick out your VxFit RUN. It'll zip you back to the previous screen, then hit Select File and find the VxFit RUN_230523_s2.zip file. Click on Done up in the top right, then Upload, and hold your horses for a few ticks while the update gets sorted. We're committed to giving you Sheilas and blokes the top-notch user experience, always tweaking and improving. Thanks heaps for your support. Get Zwift going on your phone or iPad and sign into your Zwift account. Just like you're seeing in the video, get your VxFit RUN hooked up to Zwift, then you can choose to join a virtual race or just go for a virtual jog at your own pace. This way, you're pounding the pavement with folks from all corners of the globe. Little tip for YA, it's a bit more convenient to strap the VxFit RUN onto your calf when you're competing. And of course, if you can chuck your screen up onto the TV, it's a good of an experience. Last but not least, mate, how do we get VxFit RUN synced up with Strava? Crack open Strava on your phone, log into your Strava account. Just like in the video, hit Record, then select Heart Rate Device, pick out your VxFit RUN, and you'll be all set up on Strava. A bit of advice for YA, strapping the VxFit RUN onto your calf is a bit more convenient when you're competing.